How do you get more pipeline? Three things that I think really matter. First one, intent data. I'm not sure most organizations are using their intent data well enough. So I would definitely take the time to look at some of the tools around intent data. Make sure you can dial that into your ICP. That's going to up level your overall, I call it the sales factory. The first thing is like how many people will talk to you so that you can run them down through the process. Up level your intent data, get some good intent data, dial that into your ICP. It's going to help you generate more revenue. Second piece is think customer, don't think yourself. If you listen to the Andrew's podcast, we talk about outcome-based conversations. Focus more on outcomes for the customer. So the odds of getting through to a customer, if you say, I can help you save 30%, and I'm not lying to you, it's not cheesy or gimmicky, it's real. The odds are higher that they're going to respond to that versus saying, we've got the best widget on the planet that's going to really knock your socks off. So focus more of your outcome on them in your messaging, in your marketing, and less on what you are. It'll make your pipeline go up. Third piece, align your marketing and your messaging with your sales components. So what I see a lot is a situation where marketing and salespeople are not, or the sales organization are not in alignment. So you have what I call a separated motion. Marketing is going out to and providing air cover on one essentially type of conversation, and sales is out there running a different playbook that doesn't necessarily align the messaging. It's very common because sales may get intuitively thinking that there's a different set of talk tracks that resonate with their customers. You've got to make sure that gets closed loop between sales, marketing, and your CEO, so that there's an alignment between the air cover messaging that's very effective, I would say outbound, outcome based, and your sales motions around trying to get your messaging into the market via your BDRs, your SDRs, and your account team. And those would be the three things I'd focus on if you want to raise your overall ability to build pipeline.